Alright, welcome to the next episode of Cooking with Travis. It's been a long time since the last episode, so let's go ahead and make something that you haven't eaten in a long time. Alright, come on. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, here we go. This is what we're up. Let me get my nuts out the way. They always get in the way of stuff. Alright, we are going to make beef ravioli. Alright, probably a lot of people's favorite kids meal. We're going to eat it today. Alright, so let's go ahead and get started with that.
Buenos dias. I don't always eat cheese, but when I do, I eat Mexican style cheese.
Okay, so I showed you what we're making, but I actually already made it, so you're not going to see me make it. You're just going to see the end result, and then maybe after you make it, you can compare the two, right? And one of us will be right. Okay, so here we go. This is the finished product. This is the beefy ravioli, just like you like it. Some people like the pepperoni. Some people like the Italian sausage. But most people prefer beef. So that's what I made. Check that out. Look at it for a few seconds, for a few minutes.
That's right. In fact, that is why it is called Kansas Dry.
Today's hat of the week is the Chicago Bulls hat. Nice, lavish. It's actually my cousin. It's not mine, but who cares, right? Next time on Cooking with Travis, I'm going to show you how to make chicken fingers, my favorite food. Probably going to be your food too, when it's all said and done. So stay tuned, and make sure you watch next time for chicken.
Mike Will made it.
You